In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and assign a task in Zoho projects using the current interface. Let's start from inside your project. Once you're logged in and you've selected the project you want to work on, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation area. Here, you'll see several tabs such as Overview, Tasks, and others depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on the Tasks tab. This is where all of your project's work items are organized and where you'll be able to manage who is responsible for what. Within the Tasks section, make sure you're in the List view. The List view is the most straightforward way to see all your tasks in a clean table-like format, with columns for things like the task name, status, due date, and owner. If you're not already in List view, look for the View options, usually near the top right of the Tasks area, and switch to List. This will make it much easier to find and assign the right task. Now take a moment to locate the specific task you want to assign. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of tasks, use filters or the search bar to narrow it down by name, status, or other criteria. Once you see the task you want, look across the row for the column labeled Owner. This is the column that shows who is currently responsible for that task. Inside the Owner column for your chosen task, you'll see a user or profile icon. This might appear as an avatar, initials, or a placeholder silhouette if no one is assigned yet. Click directly on that user or profile icon. This action will open a drop-down menu or a small panel showing the available team members who are part of this project. From this drop-down list, select the team member you want to assign the task to. When you click on their name, Zoho Projects will immediately set that person as the owner of the task. You should see the icon or name update in the owner column right away. That's all there is to it. By opening your project, going to the Tasks tab, switching to the List view, locating your task, clicking the Owner icon, and choosing a team member from the drop-down, you've successfully assigned a task in Zoho Projects.